My name is Haojik2 Kuki, President of the All Naga Students Association Manipur, ANSAM. In line with the decision of the United Naga Council to release these 6 Naga hostages who were abducted by the KNFB and Kuki Militants on 13 May 2026 at Laidon Wi-Fi. The Office of ANSAM issued an ultimatum as decided in the Presidential Council meeting of ANSAM on 24 May 2026. In accordance with the ultimatum, we have demanded to release the 6 Naga hostages within 4 days. And with the expiry of the ultimatum day before yesterday, the Office of ANSAM had an emergency assembly session at Ukhur hosted by the Tangkul Katanau Salo. The assembly commenced from 11 a.m. yesterday, and the assembly was concluded this morning. And in the very assembly, we had seriously discussed the way forward. While discussing, we have adopted 3 important resolutions. The first important resolution is reaffirming our position to boycott the government of Manipur. And to implement it effectively, the Assembly has decided to go for an extensive consultation to make an inclusivity with all the stakeholders. And the second resolution is the Assembly has decided to form a committee, an action committee on the prevailing situation. And the third resolution is the association will go directly to Makhan, where Ukhur Road, and visit the victim families of the 6 Naga hostages. The marching towards Makhan village to visit the victims of the 6 Naga hostages will start by 12 p.m. And any untoward incident should be held responsible by the government of Manipur and the government of India. And after that, we will come up with different kinds of intensified agitations to continue demanding for the release of these 6 Naga hostages.
Kuki Militant ki khulai paiba group UKN ki kedar security force na Chuchampur district ki ti monjang village ki phakhi bani amaromda phajin ki ba kedar thadu o haidanu Kuki fruki Meetei-kuki na ngasi akan mamona khongjang sangsilakre. Police personnel ama thangna thinbada siri ngara numidang pung 8:30 tarakpada Thobal Moijingi Khongkok area da Thawal district command gi personnel singna number 4 phaba sanglobada mafam adugi miyam gi marakta ningai sangda narakpadi gi thangna thilakbada khoirom suresai kunthra apokpa case ivoso ko yeripok laimanai digi personnel malaki trehri sahi ahung gi oibe anti narcotic plan siam duna leba asitagi narcotic issue maru fogna muthanaba India lenga na thabak packet kadori Union Home Ministry amadi Central Anti-Narcotic Agency singna sahi ahung gi oiba anti-narcotic plan siam duna leba asida thengnari ba narcotic drug issue maru fogna muthanaba India lenga na thabak packet kadori leba asigi maming leiraba news agency amagi report ki matungina Union Home Minister amadi Central Anti-Narcotic Agency ani na punsindur sahi ahung gi oiba anti-narcotic plan siam gadori sigi manungsana leba asida leiriba state khudimaki makok thongba drug Lord Taraga Manga Khangatuna, High River Drug Lord Singadu Sahi Sigi Manunda, State Intelligence Bureau na Direct Togani Hari. Union Home Ministry Amadi Anti-Narcotic Agency na Laiba Sidigi Narcotic Drug issue Marufana Mutanabagi Panamda, Pakalakadoriba, Kongtang Sigi Matanga, Subsana Kangbo officials ngi matungina sai ohungi weba anti-narcotic plan ama semna anti-narcotic agency singna point kya yawba planning report ama hauki pathada Home Minister Amit Shah na pisin ki balai Haojik Fawi oina Laingaki Meki Anti-Narcotic Agency na Pishin Kipa Planning Report atuki matangda formal oina appropriate koletri adubo hariba planning report aduda yawba kanglon kaya Anti-Narcotic Agency singna mangjungna thabak pekhat sahi ahungi oiba Anti-Narcotic Plan ama semna bagi pandamda Pishin Kipa report aduda yawba proposal kaya laukthokpa natraga nauna hapsilakpa yabigi oithokpadi sauna rahi salibasa yesida hariba Anti-Narcotic Plan asigi official oiba notification ama India Laingaki Meki tholok lakani habigi thajaba lai Narcotic Control Bureau NCB gi Meki atopa country sing dagi lewa sida ain kaina pusilakli ba narcotic drugs ngasi kana na maru oiba thaudang lawduna satharibano habidugi matangda saurakna miyoi samaga yankairom identify to pangamli hariba miyoi sing asina lewa sida natragana atopa country sing da laiduna India drug cartel gi thabak song satari lewa sida drug cartel sathabada makok thongba thaudang lawriba drug lot chamaga yankairom si lewa asidagi deport tongna bagi thabak paikali drug lot singbu phaduna extra decision tauna bohona bada matam sangna sangki kadabagi saru hariba miyoi singa sibu laiba asidagi deport tawkhibana hena phai masigi mayek laraba khudam ama haiba taragadi Daud Ibrahim na nakna loina ba Salim Dola hokiba thad laiba asidagi deport tawkhibasini Prime Minister Narendra Modi na lakli besai English singa nigani fugo teret phawgi manungda drug free India ama ohena bagi padam thamli Home Minister Amit Shah na tuan ma thoram kya dalaiwa asidagi drug maru fangna mutanaba India lenga na lepa leitana mathau ta thabak sing paikhatli haina kya ra khana phungtoki basu laikhri lenga ki officials singi matu ina sali besai sigi hokiba Mars kontraga mati fawgi manungda leiwa asida leiba left wing extremism maru fangna mutanana bagi India lenga na lokoliba akana security gi measure duga manana athuba matamda leiwa asida India lenga na anti drug campaign sa tharlagani habigi saung thajbale leiwa asida gi narcotic drug ki issue maru fangna mutanana bagi panamda Union Home Ministry amati Anti-Narcotic Agency singna sahi ahungi oiba Anti-Narcotic Plan ama satnaba hauguduriba asida leiba asida sarona NDPS ki akanaba court sahumlo nauna linglabi aidubu nauna lingadoriba NDPS ki akanaba court singasi tuan mafamda thengnariba narcotic drug case ka masingda yumpham oiduna linglagani hari Ukraine drone attack ta yamdrabada tare sikri Russia amasung Ukraine attack sing hena kana sathaba hengalakhibaga Russia na paiba Ukraine gi Donetsk region da bus amada drone amana panmata yamdrabada miyoi tare sikri Moscow amasung Crimea gi Simferopol gi marak bus adu satpani haina ngarang region adugi Russia na hapa makok Dennis Kushilina telegram naiki miyoi taraga tret amasu tuan masangna sokhi amasu makoi loina mathau taba laying phangdi haina makna makhataki St. Petersburg Russia gi President Vladimir Putin na Russian Davos Economic Forum pangthuklingari Ukraine gi drone singna district kaya marungi infrastructure attack taroktuna ate akaya masum miyoi kaya marum so ankri haina St. Petersburg ki governor naiki attack singa du lan loisin begi mami udabaga loina